say the continuation part of standard results of the binomial coefficients. See the next one. The next standard result for the binomial coefficients is the like this: NCR plus NCR minus 1 equals to n plus 1 CR equals to n plus 1 CR. For suppose the given expression is in the form of NCR plus NCR minus 1, it is equals to n plus 1 CR. If the given expression is in the form of NCR plus NCR minus 1, NCR plus NCR minus 1, so this is equals to n plus 1 CR. To understand the formula for NCR plus NCR minus 1 equals to n plus 1 CR, consider the example. It is like this. See this one. Let 5C3 plus 5C2, let 5C3 plus 5C2. Now the first binomial coefficient is in the form of NCR and the second binomial coefficient is in the form of NCR minus 1. That means, so write the first binomial coefficient as same 5C3. Write the second binomial coefficient 5C2 as 5C3 minus 1. 5C3 minus 1. Now this expression is in the form of NCR plus NCR minus 1. The given expression is like this: 5C3 plus 5C2. To get the summation between given two binomial coefficients, write the first binomial coefficient 5C3 as same and write the second binomial coefficient 5C2 as 5C3 minus 1. Now this expression is in the form of NCR plus NCR minus 1. The formula of NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to n plus 1 CR, where n means 5, 5 plus 1, n means 5, 5 plus 1, C. The value of R equals to 3, that equals to 5 plus 1, 6C, 6C3, 6C3. So finally 5C3 plus 5C2 is equals to 6C3. So this is the use of the formula NCR plus NCR minus 1 equals to n plus 1 CR. For suppose the another example is like this. For suppose the another example is like this. Find the value of 10C6. Find the value of 10C6 plus 10C5. Now write the given two binomial coefficients as like this. Write the first binomial coefficient 10C6 as same. Write the second binomial coefficient 10C5 as 10C. 5 means it is 6 minus 1. Now this expression is in the form of NCR plus NCR minus 1. The formula of NCR plus NCR minus 1 equals to n plus 1 CR, where n equals to 10, R equals to 6. Write the formula for this expression: n plus 1, 10 plus 1, C. R means entante 6. If that is equals to 11C6. So finally the value of 10C6 plus 10C5 equals to 11C6. So this is the explanation about the third standard result: NCR plus NCR minus 1 equals to n plus 1 CR. Come to fourth standard result. It is like this. The fourth standard result is NCR divided by NCR minus 1. If that equals to, if the given problem is in the form of NCR by NCR minus 1, by simplifying this expression, we can get the value of the given expression as like this. Now subtract the values in the denominator. N minus of R minus 1. N minus of R minus 1 by, write the value in the numerator, it is R. If that is equals to n minus R plus 1 divided by R. So finally the formula of NCR by NCR minus 1 equals to n minus of R minus 1 by R. It is equals to n minus R plus 1 by R. So to understand the standard result of NCR by NCR minus 1, take the another example as like this. The given problem or given example is, say this one, 65 divided by 64, 65 divided by 64. Write 65 as the same, 65 as same, 65 divided by 60, 4 means it is 5 minus 1, 5 minus 1. Now this expression is in the form of NCR divided by NCR minus 1, NCR divided by NCR minus 1. Wherever the expression is in the form of NCR divided by NCR minus 1, to get its value there is a standard formula, that is n minus r plus 1 by r. Now subtract the values of n and r in the denominator. Subtract the values of n and r in the denominator. That means 6 minus 4 divided by, write the value of r in the numerator, that equals to 5. So 6 minus 4 means 2. 2 divided by 5. So this is the process for finding the value of expression, and which is in the form of NCR divided by NCR minus 1. For suppose the given problem or given expression is like this. See this one. The given problem is 8c5 divided by 8c4. 8c5 divided by 8c4. 8c5 by 8c4 means it is in the form of 8c5 minus 1. That means NCR divided by NCR minus 1. The formula is subtract the values of both n and r in the denominator. 8 minus 4 divided by 8 minus 4 by, write the value of r in the numerator, it is 5. If that equals to 8 minus 4, 4 divided by 5. So this is the process for finding the value of the given expression, which is in the form of NCR divided by NCR minus 1. Now come to the last standard result of the binomial coefficients. What is the final standard result of the binomial coefficients? Say this one. The final standard result is like this. If NCR is equals to, if NCR is equals to NCS, if NCR equals to NCS, then there we have two standard formula. The first one is, then R is equals to S, then R equals to S. This is first one. Next, the second one, N is equals to R plus S, then R equals to S, or N is equals to R plus S. Wherever the problem is in the form of NCR equals to NCS, then first condition R equals to S, or second condition the value of N equals to R plus S. So this is the fifth standard result. For suppose the given problem is like this. For suppose the given problem is like this. See this one. For suppose the given problem is like this. If 5C3 is equals to, if 5C3 is equals to 5CR, 5CR, then the value of R is equals to dash, then the value of R is equals to dash. Now the given problem is in the form of NCR is equals to NCS, NCR equals to NCS. If the problem is in the form of NCR equals to NCS, then there we have two conditions or two formula. First condition is R equals to S. What is the value of R? 3. That means 3 is equals to the value of S equals to R. Therefore, finally the value of R is equals to 3. That means if the given problem is in the form of NCR is equals to NCS, the first formula or first condition is where R equals to S, where R means 3, S means R. That means the value of R equals to 3. So this is the first condition. For suppose the given problem is like this. See this one. If NC3 is equals to, if NC3 is equals to NC2, if NC3 equals to NC2, then the value of N is equals to dash, then the value of N equals to dash. So first of all, the given problem is in the form of NCR is equals to NCS. Wherever the problem is in the form of NCR equals to NCS, then the formula of N is equals to R plus S. Then the formula for finding the value of N is R plus S. You put that equals to, where the value of R equals to 3 plus the value of S equals to 2, that equals to 5. So finally the value of N equals to 5. So this is information about last standard result, that is NCR equals to NCS. So finally there are four standard results for the binomial coefficients. There are five standard results for the binomial coefficients. What is the first standard result? See this one. It is NCR is equals to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So this is the first standard result. Come to second standard result. The second standard result is NCR is equals to NC n minus r. What is the third standard result? NCR plus NC r minus 1 equals to n plus 1 CR. So this is the third standard result. Come to fourth one. It is NCR divided by NCR minus 1 equals to n minus r plus 1 divided by r. So this is the fourth one. The last standard result is like this. If NCR is equals to NCS, then R equals to S. Our second one is N is equals to R plus S. So these are the five standard results of the binomial coefficients. Enter in the chapter binomial theorem. Wherever binomial coefficients are given, for them we are applying these five standard results. The first standard result is formula of NCR. It is n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. But to apply this formula, there we have two conditions. First condition is n is greater than or equals to r, and the second condition is the value of r lies between 0 and n. The second standard result is it is NCR equals to NC n minus r. The third one, if the expression is in the form of NCR plus NCR minus 1, it is always equals to n plus 1 CR. Come to fourth one, if the problem is in the form of NCR by NCR minus 1, it is equals to n minus r plus 1 by r. So come to fifth one, if NCR equals to NCS, then there we have two standard formula. First one r equals to s, and the second one is n equals to r plus s. So totally this is the information or concept of standard results of the binomial coefficients. సో దీంతో మనకి స్టాండర్డ్ రిజల్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ ది బైనామియల్ కోఎఫిషియెంట్స్ కాన్సెప్ట్ కంప్లీట్ అయింది. సో నెక్స్ట్ కంటిన్యూషన్ వీ విల్ సీ ఇన్ ది నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్. సో ఇంకా ఎవరైనా ఈ ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ మై ఛానల్ అండ్ షేర్ ఇట్ అండ్ వాచ్ ఇట్. అదేవిధంగా ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం తెలుగు మీడియం స్టూడెంట్స్కి కామన్గా ఇద్దరికి ఒకే వీడియో చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. ఒకే క్లాస్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను, అది గమనించగలరు. సో ఈ క్లాస్ని ఇక్కడితో స్టాప్ చేద్దాం. వీ విల్ కంటిన్యూ ఇన్ ది నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.